Hi, this video is about some problems I've been having with the Arduino IDE. It first started when I bought my Nesso. I will just get up the picture of the Nesso, lovely thing. But initially it had problems with the battery management system. So if you tried to use the recharge battery while you were using it, it bricked your Nesso, which wasn't very helpful. So they got this problem sorted out eventually, and it was included in the board manager from 3.3.5 onwards. But this is massive, and I've got a very slow internet connection, and I couldn't get it to install. As if I show you my video I made of about the Nesso. Now, Rob Randall said that he gets the same problem, and here we go, it's that. And it never used to do that. If I was ever trying to install things on the Arduino IDE, it just took ages and ages and ages. But now there seems to be a timeout or deadline of 60 seconds, which, if you've got really slow internet, is not very helpful. So then he said, oh, you can use the Arduino CLI. And when I started looking at the Arduino CLI, I started looking at the Uno Q, which is why I haven't got on with this Nesso business and the Arduino IDE problem. So this is where I'm at the moment. So there is a solution to this problem, and it means that you have to set the deadline time. And what you do is you close all your Arduino IDE windows, and then you locate the Arduino-CLI YAML file, and you open it in text editor. And I've just put where you can find it on different systems. And then you add or edit, if there's already lines there, the following lines in the file. Now, 600 seconds is 10 minutes. Now, this is not fast enough for me. I needed to increase it big time because the file is so ridiculously huge. So I'll just show you my copy of the file. I haven't changed anything until I came down here and I added those two lines. Now, I did try with 1 less naught on that timeout thing, and it was taking I think that was about 3 hours or something with 1 less naught, and it blew up. It did not like it, and so I changed that to that ridiculously huge number, and I think that's 27 hours, and it didn't time out. But when I was in using, where is it, I was looking at this board manager, and that's the board manager. It's now on 3.3.7, and I could not get that to work. It downloaded everything and it came with a protocol error. So then I thought I would try 3.3.6, and eventually after 4 hours it worked. So that is the way to do it, really. You need to just update the YAML file. And to show you why there's such a big problem, if I go onto my board, and then that's the ESP32. Just look how many boards there are. Look, more and more and more and more, and eventually eventually down the bottom, look, it says Arduino Nesso N1, which is what I wanted. But why they put them all in one file, I do not know, because how many people would want more than, well, 2, 3 of those maximum? So very, very silly. But this had the advantage that I managed to install the Uno Q board manager as well, so every cloud. So I hope this helps you. That's about it.